I am Nyasia, a junior chemistry major, biology minor at Howard University, and today I will be presenting on the use of Python to enhance education in organic chemistry. Python is a modern, object-oriented programming language that equips students with key preparation for high-level STEM courses and careers in an increasingly data-intensive society. Given the state of our world today, this is the perfect time to incorporate a program into chemistry courses that is designed to reinforce the concepts surrounding chemical nomenclature, using Python's simple object-oriented programming paradigm. The specific aim of our research was to develop a script that can be used in general and organic chemistry courses to aid students in naming organic molecules with up to 10 carbons. Figure 2 exemplifies just a few of the molecules that can be named using our program. Using a bottom-up approach, our script evaluates input data using defined variables in order to determine whether an if or an else statement should be activated. An if statement will print an output with the corresponding alkane name, while an else statement will print an output notifying the user that their input data is outside of the program's parameters. Scheme 1 gives an accurate visual of these processes. In conclusion, we have developed the foundation for a program that can be used to name organic molecules in general and organic chemistry courses. During this time, using a computational and data-intensive approach provides an alternative to face-to-face teaching methods while still providing relevant education and training. Our future hopes are to develop a lab module that can be integrated into both general and organic chemistry labs, and to incorporate NOBCChE and SMILE strings into our code so that it will be able to recognize a wider variety of chemical structures, such as alcohols, alkenes, alkynes, and halogens. I would like to thank Professor John Harkless and Professor Jason Matthews for their discussions on the needs in the organic chemistry curriculum. For more information, please visit claiborneresearchgroup.com. Thank you.